Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's your girl Favor Beauty World, and I've come again with another interesting video. Please guys, ignore the noise. I made a video about Coco Twist hairstyle and some of you asked about the tutorial, so I got you guys covered. In this particular video, you'll be seeing a step-by-step tutorial on how to make Coco Twist. You will start by adding your kinky hair extension as if you are making knotless braid, and again you will go ahead to braid tightly 3 to 4 times, and you will just do a loose braid twisting. After that, you wrap the mouth and you have just made yourself a beautiful Coco Twist hairstyle. So many people like it colored, like this particular one you're seeing on the screen. She actually colored her hair, so she did it with the color of her hair. So guys, if this video sounds like what you like, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to this channel. And again, this you are seeing on the screen right now is how to wrap the mouth, because some people will do the hair finish before wrapping the mouth. Some people will just like do one and go ahead to wrap them out. So this is a step-by-step tutorial on how to wrap them out. After wrapping them out, you make sure you fold it very well and give it a good massage with your palms. You go ahead and give it a good massage with your palms. So guys, enjoy this video and do not forget to subscribe. Before I forget guys, I also have a hairstyle on natural twist hairstyle, Fulani braid hairstyle, African braid hairstyle, just name it, whatever type of hairstyle that you can think of. I also have the video in this channel. Please, if you are yet to check it out, do well to check it out, and I'm sure you will like it, because I always bring an interesting, beautiful, trending and latest hairstyle for you guys. Please, if there is any of the hairstyle that you want me to make video of or that you want me to talk about, just let me know in the comment section and I'll gladly do that. Let's talk a little more about this Coco Twist hairstyle. This Coco Twist hairstyle, you can do it with kinky braid extension. Basically, that is what they used to do. It's kinky braid extension, and it is very cheap. Like, it's not that expensive. And again, kinky extension, you can use it multiple times. You can even use it more than 2 times if you are the type that knows how to take care of hair. If you are the type that know how to lose hair very well, when you lose it, you'll be able to reuse it for another style, thereby saving you cost. Do you see why I said you should give this hairstyle a try? And if you're the type that like colorful hairs too, you can do it with black kinky, brown, ginger color, just name it. If you like it very light, you can also make yours to be very light. And if you like it very full and fluffy, there are so many styles about this Coco Twist that is very full and fluffy. So guys, thanks for watching and see you in my next video. Bye.